Hi everyone, today I will show you how to set your GHL calendar as well as I will also show you how to connect your Google Calendar with your GHL calendar. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you how to set up your GHL calendar. So here you can add any name like test GHL3 and this is your custom URL. This is your meeting duration which you can change in hours or minutes. And here you can see advanced setting. From here you can change your basic details like you can add calendar logo and you can add description and you can also change your meeting color. Then we will go to staff and location, and here you can change according to your preference like where you want to take your meeting, like in Zoom, like through Google Meet, whatever you like. And this is availability. From here you can change your availability like for example you are available on Sunday, so you can make it available, and you are not available, like you are busy on Monday, so you can just mark it as unavailable. So like this you can do. And here is booking rules like meeting interval, meeting duration, minimum scheduling notice. These all are the booking rules, and it is pre-buffer time, post buffer time. So like pre-buffer is before your meeting and post is after your meeting. And there you can see advanced setting, and under this form and confirmation, so here you can use your default form, but also you can use your own form, like you can add your custom form here. And visit order, here you can change it, like if you want to show your form firstly, so you can just drag it here and there you can see your form firstly. And this is your consent checkbox, this is your thank you message. From here you can change all the setting. And this is for payments, like if you want to accept the payments through calendar, so you can just click it and this is available for accepting the payments. And this is for notification and policies, like here you can enable or disable if you want to get the notification like for rescheduling or cancellation, so you can just enable it. And this is visit appearance, like if you want to do branding for your calendar, like you want to add the cover image or you want to change your primary color or background color, so you can change it from here. That's it. So you just have to save changes. Don't forget to hit the save changes, so here through it your calendar will be saved successfully. So now the next step is how to connect your Google Calendar with your GHL calendar. So just go on my profile and scroll down. Here you will see calendar setting. So under calendar setting, calendar setting you can just click on add new, and there are many types of calendars like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, but right now I'm just telling you the how to connect Google Connect calendar. So you just have to connect, click on connect, and you can choose any account like whichever you want and hit continue. So now your Google Calendar is connecting. Yeah, so your Google Calendar is successfully connected to the GHL calendar now, and that's it. So here you have seen how to set up your GHL calendar as well as also connect the Google Calendar with your GHL calendar. So that's it. Thank you.